Somebody was asking me a while back when they're watching a video, in the comment, they said, is that a loquat tree? Yeah, that is a loquat tree, Arabotria japonica, growing here on our south slope garden. So I planted this one, I know it was more than 25 years ago. I'm going to say I planted that 28 years ago, this tree, something like that. And it's flowering. No, I haven't had fruit on this one yet, but they do fruit on our south coast. This tree used to be surrounded by a lot of shade. There's a lot of shade from big trees around. We have had all the trees cut down since, so it flowers now. It never used to flower, so it's been flowering for the last few years. So to get some fruit on it would be kind of cool. If it doesn't fruit, I really don't care, because I grow it strictly as an ornamental. But I have had local fruit from trees on our coast, and I've actually grown new loquat trees from the seed I've taken out. So you can see, let me just zoom in here. You can see the flowers there. Got to remember, we're getting close to the end of November here on Salt Spring Island. There's flowers there, and then there's more flowers down there, and oh yeah, there's flowers all on top of it there. You can see the flower buds there, there, and over there. So those are clusters of flowers. The funny thing is, they do actually flower at this time of the year. So if you don't get a freeze, and there's a lot of places here that will go right through the winter time without a hard freeze, right near the water, you're going to get fruit forming on these things. So the fruit that I had from one came from a tree up in the Sunshine Coast, a very big tree. And it was really good fruit. But like, I'm looking at this, it's a pretty healthy looking tree. It's growing with Trachycarpus palms. It's growing with Fatsia trees, this, that, and the other. There's a whole bunch of exotic plants on this slope. And there's guavas down below it there. There's pineapple guavas. There's pomegranate underneath. There's a fig, which is deciduous. And, well, and there's more flowers coming right in there. So this is what a loquat tree looks like. I believe they're native to China. I'll get onto this angle so you can see it. So there it is right there. Loquat growing in our garden on Salt Spring Island at 48 degrees north latitude. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Palm the subscribe button. That's what you do, palm it. Thanks. Cheers.